So again, same learning objective. If we have two angles that are next to each other that make a straight line of 180 degrees, we call that a linear pair. And if they're a linear pair, we already know we got to add these up. 5x plus 2x plus 82 equals, and remember it's part plus part equals whole, and we said the whole thing for a straight line is 180 degrees. Now from here, okay, we got two x's on the same side, so do we know that we should combine like terms, right? So 5x and 2x combine to make 7x, bring down plus 82 equals 180. Two-step problem. On the left-hand side, we have x, so we're going to get rid of the loner first. Write this down. So to get rid of the plus 82, we're going to subtract. Everyone's writing this down or checking your answers, right? So let's bring down 7x equals, and what's 180 minus 82? 98. Okay. And then what's up? To get rid of 7, what do? Divide by 7. 98 divided by 7 is 14. Okay? So we were able to solve for x. You could, in theory, plug it back in to get an angle if it asked for it. Now, number 2, these angles are across from each other. What do you call angles that are across from each other? What? I can barely hear you, though. Not supplementary. So we talked about it on the notes yesterday. Across from each other are called vertical angles. Doesn't matter if they're really vertical or they... Okay, first off, we're classifying. So this is vertical angles. Go and write that down. Well, let's think about it. What do we know about vertical angles? They're congruent. They're actually not always vertical, but they're congruent, which means that their measurements are equal. Okay? So this equals this across from each other. So you're not going to add them up. You're just going to put an equal sign between them. Okay? Across from each other, equal. So 2x minus 7 equals 6x plus 17. Okay? Will you make a note of what time it is for... Okay. So we have x on both sides. Can it be on both sides? No. So I got to get rid of one. I like to get rid of the smaller one. So this 2x has to go. How do I get rid of a positive 2x? Minus 2x, minus 2x. Now, be careful. You're going to bring down not just 7, but negative 7, right? So negative 7 equals 6x minus 2x is 4x plus 17. And now my two-step problem is on the right side, but that's okay. Whoops. So let's get rid of the loader, 17, minus 17, minus 17. Negative 7 minus 17 is negative 24. Okay, careful with that adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers right there. And then to get rid of that 4, we divide. So what's negative 24 divided by 4? Negative 6. Okay? So you're going to use, that was a refresher from yesterday on the notes. I'd like for you to have out your notes, and you're going to use them on today's assignment, which is going to be based on those notes. Okay? So this is due tomorrow. If you don't finish today, I think you should be able to finish today. There's 2 for them. So if you get stuck on number 1, look at number 1 on your notes. Okay, let's get started.